The main difference is that promises are eager, single value, and not cancelable, while observables are lazy, can emit multiple values over time, and are cancelable. In Angular, especially with HTTP calls and reactive forms, observables are preferred because of their flexibility and powerful RxJS operators. For example, a promise resolves once, like getting a response from an API, but with an observable, you can handle streams such as live search, WebSocket data, or value changes in forms. Also, observables are cancelable, which helps with memory leaks when we unsubscribing during ng on destroy. Promises don't offer that control. In my projects, I have used promises mainly for one-time actions like token refresh and observables for everything reactive, especially when chaining multiple async calls or handling user inputs streams.